Are you tired of failing to build your own business online? Well, I failed too, at the start. Here's why. I was so arrogant and overconfident starting an online business on my own, without a mentor and guidance from the people who had already succeeded online. The result? I failed miserably. It was then that I realized, it's very hard to succeed in online business without the proper guidance from the experts who had been there. They survived, and they successfully emerged from this online business rabbit hole. Now, don't be a fool and arrogant like me. Don't be too overconfident that you can make it on your own and succeed in online business without a mentor and experts' guidance. If your online business is still struggling right now, spare 10 minutes of your precious time to understand exactly what you've been doing wrong, and how to fix it. Watch this to learn the truth about having your own business on the internet, and exactly what to do if you're determined about making that a reality. You just need to follow a proven approach that's already worked for countless other people like you. Looking for a way to build your own online business? What if you could actually partner with Anthony and let him do the training and education for you? Why not partner with Anthony? But, who the hell is Anthony? Anthony Morrison has been a self-made millionaire doing internet marketing since he was 21.
It's always better if you actually have a web page at that domain name. So you need a website, this domain name, because they look for, like, do you have a privacy policy? Hey, what's up? Anthony Morrison here. Super glad that you made it here to this page. What I want to do is break down for you what I think the best online business is for those of you who are beginners. Now, I want to start this presentation off by telling you that what I'm going to teach you here on this whiteboard is something that has worked really well for me. It's something that I feel like is the best business model that you could really follow if you're a beginner and you're looking to build your business on the internet, all right?
His income to prove his multi-million-dollar achievement from his online business. How he built and grew his online business. Awards and recognition he received from known business organizations. Just like others who had already achieved success on his online business endeavor, Anthony's internet marketing training has been featured all over the world. CNN, Fox News Channel and CNBC. Anthony wants to share his success to aspiring online business owners who needs help in growing their business. So, Anthony created the Partner with Anthony program. Unlike most online courses that leave you to do it all by yourself, but in Partner with Anthony program, Anthony Morrison, a multi-8-figure online marketer, will be your personal coach and mentor. So, instead of doing things alone, you're going to simply plug into his business-building educational ecosystem, where you can learn to build and succeed in your online business. Why should you partner with Anthony? I've tried and tested multiple programs that promise riches online, but most of them turned out to be scams or garbage that juices you until you run out of your hard-earned money. Partner with Anthony, PWA, on the other hand, has not only fulfilled its promise, but it also allowed us to build our own online business using the same techniques he teaches. See these screenshots of some of the results after we enrolled with the Partner with Anthony program. As you can see, just recently we've hit $2,178 in just 2 months since starting with the Partner with Anthony program. These are real results, and yes, it doesn't happen overnight.
This would be the number one, the most important, the one that's the easiest path with the least resistance to becoming a millionaire.
Looking for a way to build your own online business? Here's what to do. Click the Join the Partner with Anthony program link found in the description of this video. Once the website is displayed, look for this button and click. Pick your entry level, or avail of this exclusive bonus. Click the Join the Partner with Anthony program link found in the description of this video.
Anthony Morrison here, and I want to say congratulations and thank you for considering our one-time payment option for the Partner with Anthony program. As a special bonus, when you choose the one-time payment option, we're going to hook you up with something you've never seen before. In fact, you know that the number one thing that you'll need for your business is traffic. But when you take the one-time payment option, we're going to help you out with that traffic. In fact, my team is going to buy over $10,000 of traffic. Listen to this. Every month. So we're going to buy traffic every single month, and we're going to send some of that traffic to your business, right? So you have two options. You can take the one-time payment option, or you can take our monthly payment option for the Partner with Anthony program. But if you choose to take that one-time payment option, you're going to get a share of this traffic sent to your business every single month, completely free. So what I want you to do right now is click the button that you see right below this video, enroll in the Partner with Anthony program, and I look forward to seeing you there and look forward to helping you have massive success.
After which, your login details and bonuses will be emailed to you immediately. Sounds simple, right? It's that easy. So if you're ready to join us to partner with Anthony and build your brand new online business, enroll now. Statistically, most people fail to ever acquire a penny online. Don't be one of them. Click the Join the Partner with Anthony program link found in the description of this video now.